Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to reduce the particular given SOP form equation or expression using K-map. Okay, so as I told you in the previous video that if you want to reduce the particular given SOP expression or POS expression, then you have two options. The first option is you need to remember all the Boolean algebra rules, and the second option is you can reduce the given SOP equation or POS equation by using K-map. So let us see with the help of example. Okay, so find the minimized form of the logical expression given. So here a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b c bar plus a bar b c plus a b c bar. So this equation is given and we have to minimize it. Okay, so the first step is we have to locate the logic ones in the particular cell. So how to locate the ones in the cells that we have seen? That means we have to know the ones and zeros in this SOP form. So in the SOP form we write 1 if the variable is normal, and if we write 1 for normal variable in case of SOP form and 0 for complemented variable. So here see the order. So in this equation, in this expression, only 3 variables are given, that is a, b and c. So for complemented variable write 0, and for normal variable write 1 here. Okay, so here 0 1 0 for this term, 0 1 1 for this term, 1 1 0. Okay, so here we have written this binary equivalent of the particular product term. Now we have to draw the K-map. So 3 variables are given, that means 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 combinations. So we have to draw the 2 by 4 K-map. So this is our 2 by 4 K-map. Okay, take here a, b variables, and from the side view, for the as a side or as a row we will take c. Okay, for columns we will consider a and b variable, for rows we will consider c variable. So 2 bits makes 4 combinations. So as I told you, as we have seen in the previous video, write 0 0 first, then 0 1, then 1 1, and lastly 1 0, because each consecutive bit combination should have only 1 bit change. Okay, so for c variable this is only one variable is there, that means 2 raised to 1 equal to 2. So we can have only 2 combinations, 0 and 1, right? Now how to read this the sequence? First we read the a, then b and then c. Okay, so first 0 0 0. So see this combination, first 0 0 and then 0 0 0 and this 0. So write here 1. Okay, next is 0 1, this is for a, b and c is 0. So 0 1 0 0 1 and 0. So here is the 1. Now next one is 0 1 and 1. So 0 1 and c is 1. So write here 1. And last one is 1 1 0. So 1 1 and 0. Okay, so this way we have just written the ones for which the expression becomes 1 or true. Okay, now the next step is we have to form the groups. Okay, so groups should be formed in the multiples of 2 raised to n. So 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, that is 1 2 4 8. Likewise we have to form the groups. Okay, so here, and we have to form the groups as large as possible. Okay, so this is the first rule that we have seen. Okay, and the second is we have to, or our K-map should have as less as number of groups. Okay, so largest group can be formed as this one. That means we cannot form here group of 4 cells, because all the 4 ones should be in horizontally and vertically consecutive. Okay, so this situation is not here. Now this one and this ones are separate, so instead of taking this one separately, you can overlap this one with this one. So likewise you can have one more group, and this one cannot be left separately, so this one can be grouped with the consecutive neighbor one. Okay, so make this group also. Okay, so here all the ones are finished. Now we have to write the terms. Okay, so the first term is, so consider this first group and write the terms. So the terms should be written as, only we have to consider the common bits. Okay, only the common bits. So from this one and this one group, which bit is common here? The first logic 0. Okay, so this bit from this combination and this combination, the first 0 is common. So for 0 what we consider? For 0 we consider complemented variable. Okay, so write here a bar. And what is common in the row? So this 0 is common for these two bits, 1 1. So write here C bar. Now come to the second group of ones. So second group of ones is this, right? So what is common in between these two ones? If you see from the column, in this column 0 and 1 are common for these two ones. Okay, so A bar B. And if you see from the row side, then what is common here? From 0 and 1 nothing is common, so just leave it as it is. Now what about the third group? So third group is what? 1 1. So this is the third group. See from these bits. Okay, so 0 1 and 1 1, which bit is common here? Second bit, that is 1. So for 1 we write normal variable. So normal variable is what? B. Okay, and come to the row side. For this 1 1, which bit is common? Only 0. So for 0 we write the complemented variable B C bar. Okay, so this is the simple example of where you can reduce the SOP expression to this kind of expression. Okay, so here the K-map helps you to reduce the terms without remembering any Boolean expression or any Boolean algebra rules. Okay, so thank you.